Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here about help you how you actually start to understand through everything. Should be about that whatever it's going to be about be satisfied with that situation. This would be important to deal with that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video is gonna be actually be important to deal with that. It's about to be understood on this situation. What we're gonna do is about to click here on Set DPI. Set DPI on that we can do the DPI over here on settings, so we can actually do the DPI here, and then we can see that it's actually not working, but we can actually do the actions of the DPI and doesn't actually give you here a certain thing that is already with settings. So maybe it can be really on the mouse cursor settings, because it's the DPI is actually really related to the mouse and you can't actually see this feature already. So maybe you can find it on the plug. You can actually use that one and then start to go for DPI to pixel, which is really about that one. You can start to run, and then you can see create one, and this, as you can see, this is ready already to make this DPI sync. So that is all about to help